Welcome back. We are back with a brand new, kind of long-awaited episode of Tom vs Dale. We've all had to struggle and deal with lockdown this year, and it's been no different with Meguiars and our project builds. So we're finally out and about again, and we're going to check the progress on the car. Now it's with the Motorworks. So these guys have stepped in to do the body kind of modifications and the paintwork, which is, if anyone knows me, my favourite part of any build. You know, coming from a paint background, how a car's finished and how the paint looks means a lot to me. And it's great to kind of catch up with the guys, see how they're getting on, struggling, hating the Jaguar, trying to make the body fit the wheels, because what you do is you order big wheels, big tyres, and then you make the body fit that.
Correct.
That's how you build cars. So come with us as we check it all out.
Come on, guys.
Come on. So we're now in the kind of preparation, is it shed or room or station?
Prep bay.
Prep bay, we're in the prep bay.
It's a knockoff Meguiars.
It's the fabrication station. So the car's in here getting the little kind of body tweaks and modifications, not only to the wings, but to kind of like remove things that we don't want, smooth out the spoiler, and just kind of make little subtle touches just to make it a little bit more of a build. So before we kind of have a good look round at the car with Luke, we're going to show you some clips of the car being delivered and some of the work that's gone into it before we arrived. So Luke's going to kind of walk around and talk about some of the things he's doing, some of the things he's going to do, and what's had to be done to make it fit the wheels.
Over to you, Luke.
I'm Luke. Right, so this is a Jag, obviously, but this is the first modified Jag. Basically, this has bugged me for weeks, weeks on end, on how I'm going to do it. At first I was going to cut here, bring the quarter out a bit, then figure out the rest of it. As the first time we saw the car, it had no wings on it.
No.
So
it was a bit about matching it wrong.
yeah, we didn't even know how the front was gonna line up. So as soon as the car came and had front wings on it, I saw the wings and I saw they were bigger than the rears, and I thought, well, let's have some wings. So I looked at where the arch starts flaring out, and drilled a pop rivet that holds it to the inner, slit it, or self-tapped it just to sort of, in a way, tack it for now, folded it out, self-tapped it there,
And now she fits.
and now she fits.
So this allows us to go wider on the wheel and a little bit lower as well. Obviously a lot lower.
Yeah.
I'm glad you said a lot lower.
A lot lower.
Proud of you.
What satisfies me, the nerd inside me, is the OEM-ness of this modification.
In my eyes, this is how Jaguar should have done it.
Yeah.
Tom was saying earlier, like an E46 and E46 M3, you don't realise how much wider the rear arches are until...
Yeah, so this is OEM plus.
There's what?
There's no prance in Jag. I mean, there never was one, so there doesn't need to be one now.
There should be one. You look at a Jaguar S-type race car from the 60s. What does it have on it? A prancing Jaguar. If you try and talk about anything technical, you have to take that off because I can't hear a word you say.
It's like someone talking through a tunnel.
So we've been introduced to Luke and the work he's been doing on the Jag. So we thought while Tom's taking a break from working on the car over there, he can talk about Motorworks and himself and the business in general.
Hi, Tom.
Hi, I'm Tom. Motorworks, it's my place. As Dale just said, you've met Luke. I'm more mechanical, running of the business rather than the body shop side of things like Luke. We've also got Scott just started as well to help Luke. We do anything from a normal service to some brake pads to building a race car for someone, building like a show car for someone, building a creation, shall we say, for someone else.
It's neither a race car or a show car quite yet.
It's in between. We do a lot of that as well.
I think that's what got excited about working with you guys, because very much the avenue I've gone down with a Jag fits your image completely,
Yeah.
where it's style as well as performance. Thanks again for your support and being on board, to be fair.
No worries. We're really happy to be on board. It's just a shame it's taken this long to get where we are because of the
old Corona.
Yeah,
Corona.
Thanks again for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Tap that notification bell to be notified when the next Tom vs Dale video is released.